Want to unlock your body's full range of motion? Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the wonderful world of power yoga. In this practice, we'll explore poses that not only enhance your flexibility, but also strengthen your body and calm your mind. Power yoga is an excellent tool for promoting overall health and well-being, and we're excited to guide you through this transformative journey. So make sure you're warmed up and ready to move. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself and get started. Our first pose is the downward facing dog. Begin on your hands and knees, then elevate your hips, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Draw your heels down toward the mat and extend your spine. This pose stretches your hamstrings, calves, and shoulders, while also fortifying your arms and shoulders. It's a great way to kickstart our power yoga sequence. Next, let's transition to the forward fold. From downward facing dog, step or bounce your feet to the front of your mat. Fold forward from your hips, allowing your head to hang loosely and your spine to stretch. This pose calms the mind, relieves stress, and lengthens the entire back body, including your spine, hamstrings, and calves. Now let's move into Warrior Two. Step your right foot forward between your hands and rotate your left foot outward, aligning your heels. Bend your right knee directly over your ankle and stretch your arms parallel to the floor, reaching out through your fingertips. Maintain your gaze over your front fingertips and settle into the lunge. This pose opens up your hips and chest while strengthening your legs and core. Next up, we have the pigeon pose. From a seated position, bring your right knee forward and place your shin on the mat in front of you. Extend your left leg behind you, keeping your hips square. Fold forward over your right leg, resting your forehead on your hands or a block. This pose deeply stretches your hips, groin, and glutes, releasing tension and encouraging relaxation. Lastly, let's try the extended triangle pose. From Warrior Two, straighten your front leg and stretch your right arm forward, elongating your side body. Shift your hips back as you hinge at the waist, lowering your right hand to your shin, ankle, or the floor. Raise your left arm toward the sky, aligning your shoulders. This pose stretches your hamstrings, inner thighs, and side body, enhancing flexibility and spinal alignment. Those are our 5 yoga poses that will help you unlock your body's full range of motion and enhance your flexibility. Practicing these regularly will not only improve your flexibility, but also contribute to overall well-being. Remember, yoga is not about perfecting the pose, but about connecting with yourself. So, take it slow, breathe deeply, and always listen to your body. And that's a wrap! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more yoga tips and tutorials. Until next time, namaste. There you have it. 5 powerful yoga poses to help you unlock your body's full range of motion and enhance flexibility. Remember, the journey to flexibility is a marathon, not a sprint. Breathe deeply, be patient, and honor your body's signals. Every breath you take, every pose you hold, brings you one step closer to a more flexible, stronger you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more yoga tips and tutorials. Until next time, namaste.